Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Thank you, Tanya, for such a wonderful start. I'm sharing my screen, I suppose. Um, it's all about technology today, but since Business Intelligence Center is about people, I would like to emphasize something about people as well in this event, and give me a couple of minutes so I can share something which is coming into the future and which is already here. It is a distance socializing. I don't think if you are thinking about it or if it's in your awareness, but we all know that we are never going to be back to working the same way as we did, not living the same way as we did, but pandemic has shown us the new ways of use of technology, which is the topic today. And all other panelists are going to talk about technology. I would like to talk about the humans, why we have to stay positive and we have to cope with the situation, which is gonna last and it's not gonna go away. That's why I would like to just put out some thoughts about our mindset and our shifts we are willingly or unwillingly have to make. The first one is from what is not and the scarcity into what is. You know, we usually think about what is not, but now it's time to think about what it is, because humans are social animals. We are social animals. We need to be accepted. We need to be heard and understood. So how can we be heard and understood and be in distance socializing at the same time? This is now the shift we have to make in our mind. And going further, endurance and resilience and coping, you know, when I want to lose weight, I go on a diet, but this is a short term. But if I want to lose a weight as being a part of my life, I have to change my lifestyle. And this is how we are coping with it. And this coping is going to come into, it's already here with technology as well. So have you thought about what are my short-term and long-term strategies about distance socializing? How you're going to implement it? What are you going to do to be in a contact, to build the business and to evolve the relationships and to find the new relationships? And the third thing, which I think it's very much important in mindset shift, is as well zooming in and zooming out. Usually we zoom in because we want to be present in this moment. We want to build the awareness. We want to get perspective, but this is our inner perspective. And in this situation, only zooming out is going to help us to stay under the water, because we need new perspective. We will need new points of view. We will need new intakes to make this distance socializing real and acceptable for us. And with the mind shifts, there come focus. I would say for the first in, out, zoom in, zoom out, focus on a new perspective. At building your resilience, focus on new strategies, decisions, and behaviors about the distance socializing. How many hours are you gonna put in? Who are you gonna contact? Who is gonna be on your list? For how long is gonna be on your list? What you are gonna do? Because why? We still need the feeling of being accepted, being heard, and being understood. And that's why focus on quality instead of lacking, and focus on improving what we have is the only thing we can do. This would be my mindset and focus shifts intake for this, or a contribution to this event today. And since the Business Intelligence Center is all about networking, you are invited to connect with me, scan the code, add a note. You are also invited to follow and join the Business Intelligence Club. And I'm very delighted today to be with you. And thank you, Tanya, for all the contribution. Wishing you a perfect day and a lot of new information.